Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes, and check this little bad boy out. It's an Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory, and these are an absolute weapon of a bike. Basically a full world superbike, but with some straight bars on, so they're a cracking thing of these. This one's a 2018 on an 18 plate, so one owner bike, and it's only done 7,540 miles. So with this one, obviously it is the pre-17, so you do get the full colour TFT display. You get everything. You get ABS, you get traction control, everything's adjustable, you get all the different power modes. You get Brembo M50 monoblock brakes. What else do you get on these? You get Ohlins suspension, you get the quickshifter, you get the blipper, you get the pit lane limiter, anti-wheelie, launch control. You get absolutely everything. Bonus about it as well, so have you look at the TFT display. I'm just going to press the brake, if you can just zoom in on it or not. It might not do yet. It shows how much down here, how much you're braking, and how much you're throttling as well. You can link it to your phone, so you can download an app on your phone, link it to your phone, and you can basically show your mates how fast you've gone, how far you've lent the bike over, how many wheelies, everything. They're just a cracking bike, proper piece of kit. This one's got the Akrapovic exhaust in it as well, and the fancy link pipe, so they're a beast of a bike, honestly. Proper cool thing. So if you do want it, do be quick. We do sell them fairly sharpish, so if you do want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.